This is Brent with TheraSaaS, and in this video I'm going to give you a brief overview of the dashboard. Now, the dashboard has been receiving several updates, and here's some of the cool newest updates for the dashboard I want to show you. And I'll tell you this, most of practice owners and intake coordinators, they spend most of their time in these top three boxes right here. How many opportunities there have been, open, lost, the value, and the conversion rate. So let me just focus on this top value right here. So there's really one thing you need to really change is I usually say keep it on the created on. So this number is going to reflect how many opportunities were created in a particular time frame. So let's just say this year there's only been 4 because this is our demo account. But I want to note that if you say the status is changed, that's going to reflect a different number. So I say always have it on. This is created on as the default. Now, for this demo purpose here is you'll notice that if you you want to select it, keep it on, click on the loss, and you will see how many people were marked as lost in that time period. And then what's really great about this is that you'll see the lost reason. So when you mark somebody as lost inside the opportunities tab, you can give a reason. And I have 2 reasons here, and I'll show you this in a second. So for example, let's say Professor Moriarty here. We open this up and we say, all right, you know what, we're going to mark him as lost, and this little lost reason shows up. So let's just say the reason why he's not going to have insurance or go because, let's say, he moved out of the state. Okay, so we're going to create a new reason for that. Let's hit update. And let's go ahead and show you another example here is, looks like we got 2 Professor Moriartys here. So let's say John, pediatrician, and we're going to say that he was actually, he was abandoned. He just abandoned us. So I'm going to mark that as open, or save that. And then a lot of times here, you just refresh this page here and those contacts will be updated. So let's jump back over to the dashboard page here. And you'll see this has been updated from lost, open, abandoned. We've got different numbers, numbers associated with the reason here. So let's click on the lost. Again, let's just go ahead and say, this year. Click on the lost and you'll see all the contacts that have been marked lost in that last year and the reason why. So I think that's a pretty powerful update to the dashboard here. And you can see which ones are still open, which contacts are still open, and then also which ones have been abandoned. Okay, so these next here, you can drop down and see which visual pipeline, the opportunities you want to show here. So we're just going to say new client appointment. This is the main one. You can see where they're at in the different stages of that pipeline in that opportunities tab here. And if you go down, you can also see tasks associated with that user, or you could say all users, so you can see all tasks. And then the Google Analytics, if you connect your analytics and things like that, you can see all that information, even your Google Business Profile, if you find that helpful. Now, we're making new updates all the time on how to customize your dashboard. You can add widgets based on, and other information based on the contacts and the information inside of TheraSaaS. So we're going to be building out a whole nother video around this, but we think this is going to be pretty helpful for people. All right, that is a brief overview of the dashboard. We'll see you in the next video.